Hey everybody, welcome back to Idea Empire, the channel where we turn big dreams into real businesses. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business but felt overwhelmed by all the complicated options out there? Today, I'm giving you 5 best small business ideas, perfect for beginners. If you want even more inspiration, check out my video on 7 creative ideas to make money from home. I will link it to the description. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We post videos regularly to help you grow smarter and faster. Alright, let's dive in. Idea 1. Personal errand service. People are busier than ever, and guess what? Running simple errands like grocery shopping, picking up dry cleaning, or standing in line can actually be a full-time business. Start small in your neighborhood. Post flyers, create a Facebook page, and boom, you are in business. You can even partner with local seniors who need extra help. Idea 2. Local tour guide for hidden gems. If you know your city or town well, offer unique local tours for tourists or even locals who want to discover hidden spots. You don't need fancy buses. Walking or bike tours are trending. Focus on things like secret food spots, local history, or even themed tours like haunted places or street art tours. Idea 3. Digital organizer for busy professionals. If you're good at calendars, emails, and to-do lists, this one's for you. Offer services to help busy professionals clean up their digital lives. Think Inbox Zero, organized files, or even set up simple automation. You don't need fancy skills, just patience and a love for organizing. Idea 4. Rent out party supplies. Instead of starting a full event planning business, keep it simple. Rent out party supplies like tables, chairs, backdrops, and decorations. Buy a few basic sets, advertise locally, and offer delivery and pickup. Once you grow, you can add more specialized equipment, like photo booths or lawn games. Idea 5. Home-based plant nursery. Plants are trendy, and people love buying from local growers. You can start small by growing succulents, herbs, or easy houseplants in your backyard or even on a sunny windowsill. Sell them online, at farmers markets, or to local cafes and offices looking to green up their spaces. And there you have it. 5 beginner-friendly business ideas that are simple, unique, and totally doable. Which idea would you start with? Drop it in the comments. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more weekly business ideas. See you next time.